There are a million reasons to listen to audio, and this is one.
And there's nobody to count your tears.
Genting Highland.
Remember, no matter where you
My name is Ilnur. So,
Hello.
yeah.
I am the Gipa. We're going down.
So, what is it? So,
Which is
caption
jungle.
is it's jungle.
Yeah, the view is very beautiful.
Okay. Now we are landed, and one of the football player from Manchester United. So could you comment how what do you feel when you are inside?
of which there's no doubt Allah knows.
I'm tired.
Okay.
Please do not disturb me.
Okay, sorry. How are you?
Very bad.
Very bad.
Everything's okay.
Yeah.
It was great.
This whole universe Allah knows.
What is your name, boy?
My name is Askat.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kazakhstan. My name is Radmila. I'm from Kazakhstan and we're Genting Highland.
Whole life has barely begun. You can walk on the moon, shout it to everyone.
Now we are at jungle. It's very dangerous because a few minutes ago we saw a tiger and he looks very hungry.
No matter what, inside or out, there's one thing of which there's no doubt. Allah knows. Allah knows. And whatever lies in the heavens or the earth, every star in this whole universe, Allah knows. Allah knows. When you lose someone close to your heart, see your whole world fall apart, and you try to go on, but it seems so hard. Allah knows. Allah knows. You see, we all have a path to choose. Through the valleys and hills we go, with the ups and the downs, never fret, never frown. Allah knows. Allah knows. No matter what, inside or out, there's one thing of which there's no doubt. Allah knows. Allah knows.